Look, I need to be straight with you about something most people won't admit when it comes to decorating their home with crochet. Everyone talks about how pretty it looks, but nobody's telling you the real reason why having these handmade pieces in your space actually changes everything about how you feel when you walk through your front door. So here's what happened to me last year. I was sitting in my living room, the usual setup. Store-bought cushions, mass-produced wall art, everything looking like it came straight out of a catalog. And I realized something was off. My house looked fine, but it didn't feel like mine. It felt empty somehow, even though it was full of stuff. That's when I started adding crochet pieces everywhere, and I'm not exaggerating when I say it completely transformed my entire living space in ways I never expected. But before we get into all that, let me tell you about the problem most of us face without even realizing it. We spend so much money on home decor, right? We're constantly buying new things, following trends, trying to make our homes look like those perfect Instagram photos. And somehow, no matter how much we spend or how many times we rearrange things, our homes still feel cold. They feel temporary, like we're living in a showroom instead of an actual home where real life happens. This is exactly what I was dealing with. I'd walk into my bedroom and feel nothing. The living room was just a place to sit. Even my kitchen, where I spend so much time, felt bland and uninviting. I thought maybe I just needed to buy more expensive furniture or hire an interior designer, but that wasn't it at all. The issue was that everything in my home was the same as what you'd find in a million other houses. There was no personality, no warmth, no story behind anything I owned. That's where crochet completely flips the script. And I'm not just talking about throwing a random crocheted blanket on your couch and calling it a day. I'm talking about actually understanding how these handmade items create an atmosphere that literally nothing else can replicate. Let me break this down for you. First off, there's this texture thing that nobody really talks about. When you add crochet to your home, you're adding this incredible depth that flat, smooth surfaces just can't give you. Think about it. Most modern furniture is smooth plastic, polished wood, sleek metal. Everything's designed to look clean and minimal, but here's the problem with that. Humans aren't designed to live in sterile environments. We need texture. We need variety. Our brains actually respond to different textures in ways that make us feel more comfortable and relaxed. When I put crochet pillow covers on my couch, suddenly that whole corner of my living room became my favorite spot. Not because the pillows were more comfortable than my old ones, but because my brain registered that space as warmer and more inviting. The loops and stitches create these tiny shadows and variations that make the whole area feel alive. It's wild how something so simple can change your entire perception of a space. And then there's the color situation. You can buy colored items from stores, sure, but have you ever noticed how those colors feel kind of aggressive, like they're trying too hard? Crocheted items have this softness to them even when you're using bright colors. The yarn texture somehow mellows everything out. I made this mistake once where I bought these bright yellow cushions from a department store thinking they'd brighten up my room. They did, but in this harsh, uncomfortable way. Then I got crochet cushions in almost the same color, and the difference was insane. Same color, completely different vibe. The crochet ones felt sunny and cheerful. The store-bought ones felt like I was living in a highlighter. But here's where it gets really interesting. There's something psychological that happens when you surround yourself with handmade items. Every single crochet piece in your home represents time and effort. Whether you made it yourself or someone else did, there's human energy in that object, and your brain knows this. You might not consciously think about it every time you look at a crocheted table runner or wall hanging, but subconsciously, you're registering that this item has value beyond just its function or appearance. I started noticing this when guests would come over. They'd immediately gravitate toward the crochet items. They'd touch them, ask about them, want to know the story. Nobody ever asked about my regular throw pillows or my printed canvas art, but that crocheted blanket draped over my armchair? Everyone wanted to know where it came from. It became a conversation starter, but more than that, it made my home feel like a place with stories, a place where things mattered. Let's talk about specific rooms for a second, because the benefits change depending on where you put these pieces. In the bedroom, crochet literally transformed my sleep space. I added a crochet bedspread, not one of those heavy, old-fashioned looking ones, but a light, airy pattern in cream and soft gray. The moment I finished making my bed with it, the entire energy of the room shifted. It went from being just where I sleep to being this cozy retreat I actually wanted to spend time in. I started reading in bed more, journaling, actually enjoying my mornings instead of rushing out. The texture made the bed look more inviting, and honestly, it made me want to make my bed every day just because it looked so good when it was done. Then there's the living room situation. This is where most people spend their time, right? So it makes sense to make it as comfortable as possible. I went a bit crazy here, I'll admit. Crochet cushions on the couch, a throw blanket on the armchair, a textured rug, even some crochet baskets to store my remotes and magazines. And here's what happened. My living room became the room where everyone wanted to hang out. Before, people would kind of perch on the couch like they were waiting to leave. After I added all the crocheted elements, people would sink into the cushions, grab the blanket, actually relax. The room went from looking nice to feeling good, and that's a huge difference. The kitchen is where things got really creative. Most people don't think about crochet in the kitchen, but this is actually one of the best places for it. Crochet dishcloths are way better than regular ones because they're more absorbent and they last longer. Pot holders made from cotton yarn work better than the thin store-bought ones. But beyond function, having crochet items in the kitchen adds this homey, lived-in feeling that makes cooking feel less like a chore. I made some jar covers and bowl covers in different colors, and now even my leftovers in the refrigerator look cute. It's silly, but it makes me happy every time I open the refrigerator. Bathrooms are another spot people overlook. A crochet bath mat, some covered storage baskets, maybe a tissue box cover. These tiny additions make your bathroom feel less like a utilitarian space and more like an actual room you designed. I never thought I'd care about what my bathroom looked like beyond keeping it clean, but adding some soft texture made it feel more spa-like and way less sterile. Now, let's address something important. A lot of people think crochet looks old-fashioned or grandma-ish, and I get it. If you're picturing those thick brown Afghans from the 70s, yeah, I understand the hesitation. But modern crochet is completely different. The patterns available now are minimal, geometric, contemporary. You can make pieces that look like they came from an expensive boutique. The key is choosing the right patterns and colors for your style. If you're into that modern, minimalist look, stick with neutral colors and simple stitches. A white or gray textured cushion cover looks incredibly sophisticated. If you like boho vibes, go for earthy tones and fringe. Into bright, eclectic spaces, mix bold colors in your crochet pieces. The beautiful thing about crochet is it adapts to literally any design style. You're not locked into one aesthetic. And here's something that really sold me on this whole thing. Crochet items are sustainable. In a world where we're all trying to be more conscious about what we buy and how much waste we create, having handmade, durable items in your home just makes sense. A well-made crochet blanket will last for years, maybe even decades if you take care of it. Compare that to fast fashion home decor that falls apart after a season or two. You're investing in pieces that have staying power. Plus, if you make these items yourself, you have complete control over what materials you're bringing into your home. You can choose natural fibers, eco-friendly dyes, support small businesses selling quality yarn.